Go. All right, one more demonstration. We're going to make the swedge joint. The swedge joint, as we agreed, is we're going to expand this tubing. We're going to expand this tubing to accept another piece of tubing. We're going to put the two together. We're going to have one joint, which is going to eliminate two solder points or two braze points. So the less joints we have to solder or braze, the less likely we have we will have a leak. So with the tools you have, I can get you set up with these out in the shop. We're going to open the kit up, and inside there's going to be a 1/4 inch diameter insert that we're going to screw on, and I'll help you out there with that. And you're also going to have a block called a swedging block. The proper way to achieve a 100% accurate swedge joint, we're going to find, first of all, find our 1/4 inch slot on the block. We're going to insert our pipe from the bottom up, make sure we're reading the numbers, and we're going to snug it down a little bit. You still want to be able to move this. To be at the proper height. For this demonstration, since we're using 1/4 inch diameter pipe, all we need to do, rather than sit here with a tape measure and try and get it up 1/4 inch, take the piece of tubing that you want to swedge and lay it across the top of the block. Okay, that's 1/4 inch outside diameter. I lay that on top of the block. Pull my tubing down to where it's just even with the top. You all agree?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Perfect.
Good. Good. Nobody does it better than me. Good story. So we're locked and loaded. We're going to take our assembly, our yoke, and our goal here is to drive this piston into the start it, get it centered, get it through the center of the pipe. All right. So I drove that in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Grab it. It's called a T-handle for a reason, for leverage. All right. Sometimes it helps if you go boop, 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 boop. Were you here when we did the bloopers? Okay. We're going to take that piston, we're going to drive it all the way down into the copper. Got it?
Yeah.
See where I stop? What's your name? Terry, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, Terry. I'm going to remove the tool. Open it up. And voila, we have just expanded the end of the copper. Got it, Terry? This way, it's a coupling. Turns into a coupling. I'll be able to take an extra piece of 1/4 inch, insert it into that swedge joint, now have only one fitting the brazier socket. Any questions, guys? Okay. So why do I want to read the pipe?
So birds don't get into your pipe.
And what are burrs?
Little like mushrooms or pieces.
Little leftover pieces that
When you
can
cut.
stick out in there. Okay? Copper shrapnel. What's a swedge joint?
The expanding of the copper.
Yes, Terry.
The expanding of the copper so you can put another piece of copper inside.
So
to
we
eliminate a
basically
joint.
just made a coupling. Okay, we eliminated 2 joints and made 1 joint. Right? Why is that important in a refrigeration system?
Less chance of a leak.
Less chance of leaks.
Yeah.
Right? Good.